Hi, I'm Christine.
And I'm Arslan. We work on the Avoca intelligence team, and today we're going to be talking about oversight. So oversight is a way for you to review calls at scale. Instead of manually reviewing every call, oversight lets you define what's important to you. It will then automatically flag those moments in every call and alert you when something needs attention.
You'll find oversight in the Avoca dashboard under Analytics. Annotations let you define different call features that will tag each call and can be filtered for easy review and reporting. You could see here some global annotations that Avoca already has by default. Things like customer type, or if the customer realized that they're talking to an AI. You could also create your own custom annotation. For example, if we want the AI to detect whether a customer called in but they were out of the service area, then we could create a new annotation here. And then this would just be a simple yes or no. Now I will toggle this to be an active annotation and visible in the dashboard.
The other core feature is evals. Evals are used to grade the bot's conversation quality and behavior. You can define specific types of behavior that you want the bot to be graded on, like whether it confirmed the job type correctly, and then oversight will automatically review every call using that eval. So you can find evals in the evals tab here. Again, we have some predefined evals for you that you can use. So let's say we want to create an eval to make sure that the bot is offering membership to non-members. You then want to say when this eval is applicable. So in our case, this is only applicable to non-members. And then you want to give it the evaluation criteria. So you can say that this eval passed if the bot offered membership to the users and described benefits. This eval is now created. To activate it, we can toggle it on here. If you want to apply these newly created annotations and evals to previous calls, you can run a backfill.
The oversight dashboard gives you a breakdown of the top annotations and evals across all calls. Then in the calls dashboard itself, you could also filter on what specifically were those calls that had failed evals or annotations. For example, I want to see the pricing objection raised and filter on those calls. Now you'll be able to see all the calls that have those annotations applied to it.
So one of the most popular evals that we see customers run is the transfer failure eval. This monitors whether the agent failed to transfer the call from Avoca to your human CSRs. And our customers like to review these calls daily with that eval and follow up with the customer as needed.
One of the most impactful annotations that we've seen customer use is no availability. This flags any calls where a customer tried to book an appointment, but no availability was found. This helps your team figure out if they need to adjust your capacity or staffing.
And that's oversight. So to review, oversight lets you set up annotations and evals, and it will automatically review calls so you don't need to do so manually.
And if you have any questions or want help setting up your first tag or eval, reach out to your account manager. Thank you so much for watching.